And unlike superficial scrubbers that just skim across your wood or tile surface, leaving dirt and bacteria behind, Pogo delivers an amazing 66 oscillations per second of high-speed harmonic vibration, activating 75 million dirt-grabbing microfibers to get deep into the cracks, lifting away and trapping the dirt within the fibers, so nothing is left behind.
Want proof? We invited the industry leader in hygiene verification to test Pogo against a best-selling wet mop. They started by applying a pre-made biofilm solution to create a baseline of bacteria, even doubling the amount of bacteria on the Pogo side. After a head-to-head cleaning test, the wet mop only scored a 457. That's not even classified as clean, let alone sanitary.
The Pogo scored an 8. That's more than 50 times cleaner.
Seeing the before readings in the thousands and after the procedure seeing the numbers drop down to single digits and below 10, then it's really impressive.
That's why we say it's not clean unless it's Pogo clean.
Okay, so Lorraine, let's start here, okay? So you've got carpet and you've got tile.
We began by testing Lorraine's freshly steam-mopped entryway.
All right, what's that number?
976.
With a baseline reading of 976,
It's propelling itself.
Lorraine pogoed her floor for just seconds, and we tested the cleanliness level again.
59.
That is amazing, isn't it?
Amazing.
House after house, we put Pogo to the before and after cleaning test.
What's that number?
1749?
Okay, at least we know 1749.
Is that a good number?
No, not really.
Oh,
Maya quickly pogoed her bathroom tile.
nice.
What is that?
42.
Self-proclaimed clean freak Julie was shocked by the reading in her RV.
1576.
But her dirty bathroom floor was no match for Pogo.
4.
A 4 is like
Brand new. It's like
super,
brand new.
super sanitary. It's like you bought a new RV.
Yes.